This week's episode is on the Incredible Floorplan in the 2021 fifth wheel with a front kitchen. It is the SOWLE RV Spotlight number 5. We will be discussing the floor plan, the amenities within, and our likes and dislikes of the RV. All of that and much more on this week's episode of the SOWLE RV Podcast. Hello everybody, welcome to the SOWLE RV Podcast. I am Mark.
And I am Angie with SOWLE RV. We are moving right along with the SOWLE RV Spotlight number 5. Like Mark mentioned earlier, the RV we are looking into today is a fifth wheel with a front kitchen. It is the 2021 Heartland Bighorn 3995 FK. So let's get right to it.
The 2021 Heartland Bighorn 3995 FK has a hitch weight of 2,907 pounds, a gross weight of 16,500 pounds, and a dry weight of 14,141 pounds. It has a 65-gallon fresh water tank and a gray and black water tank that are each 90 gallons. The axle weight is 7,000 pounds. There are 2 propane tanks with 30-pound capacities, a 12-gallon water heater that is gas electric DSI, and an AC unit that is 30,000 BTU.
This 2021 Heartland Bighorn 3995 FK Diamond Elite Package has 5 slide-outs, sleeps 6, and is 42 foot 10 inches. It has a large front raised kitchen, a middle living area, and a rear bedroom. So let's get started with the kitchen. It is at, like we said, the front of the fifth wheel. There is 1 slide out in the kitchen, and it has the oven, the microwave, a deep pantry, and ample countertop space with 2 cabinets underneath. The very front of this RV is where the kitchen sink is located. In front of the large window and full width countertops are located here as well. There are also 3 drawers and 4 cabinets in the front. On the opposing side of the slide out is the 18 cubic foot stainless steel refrigerator with even more cabinets and drawers around it. Finally, the kitchen is equipped with a bar that you have the option of getting 2 bar stools or 1 bench that overlooks the living room. Now the living room, speaking of the living room, when you go down the stairs from the kitchen, you enter the living room where there are 2 slide outs. One slide out has a flip and fold sleeper sofa, and the other slide out is where the dinette is located. You have the option to replace the dinette with another sofa in this location as well. There is also a ceiling fan in the living room as well as the entry door location. There is an entertainment center that includes storage in the above cabinets, a 55-inch LED HD TV, and a fireplace below. Additionally, there is power theater seating in the living room right below where the kitchen bar overlooks the living room. The bathroom in this fifth wheel has a toilet, sink, and large shower with a king-size dome skylight and a seat inside the shower.
The bedroom. Heading to the rear of this RV, you will find the bedroom with a king-sized memory foam mat. Above the bed in the slide-out are 6 individual cabinets for storage. Inside the opposing slide-out, there are 9 drawers and 6 individual cabinets. Additionally, there is a TV in the built-in storage area in the bedroom. If that is not enough storage, just lift the bed and you will find even more storage space. You won't have to worry about finding a place for a vacuum cleaner either, because there is a designated built-in vacuum cleaner in the bedroom. If all of that wasn't enough, there's another 2-door closet beside the bed that is prepped for a washer and dryer if you choose to add them.
Nice.
The exterior of the 2021 Heartland Bighorn 3995 FK has a deluxe power awning. Every Heartland Bighorn fifth wheel is known for having the largest exterior storage area in its class with over 140 cubic foot of storage space. They also have a large insulated slam baggage doors. Each model is constructed with a 12-inch I-beam with a rust prohibitive coating. Additionally, they have hydraulic landing jacks, a 6-point auto leveling system, and have been 0-degree temperature tested. The heated underbelly and the seamless one-piece below floor heat duct allows you to travel all year long, making it perfect for the full-time RVer. Finally, they have been designed and engineered for the short bed and extended cab trucks for tighter turning radiuses.
Now we're going to discuss our likes and dislikes about this fifth wheel. I have to say there is not much that I don't like about this RV. I honestly think it would be a great fit for us in a fifth wheel if we ever were going to consider one. Maybe. I love a front kitchen in a fifth wheel, and this one specifically, I love the front window right in front of the kitchen sink. The living room is perfect for us as well, with a perfect spot for our son Aiden to have his own little window room. If you don't know what I'm referring to when I say window room, we have an entire article on what we use that space for. It's a very fun space. I can totally see us removing the dinette and using it for that, especially since there is a 2-seater bar in the kitchen. I would also replace the theater seating with 2 rocker recliners because that's just my preference. It would work great since you still have that additional sleeper sofa in the slide out. The bathroom is perfect with a large shower and seat. I love the dome skylight in the bathroom too. We have one in our motorhome shower and I absolutely love it. The bedroom with the 2 slide outs, washer and dryer hookups, and tons of storage. All I have to say about that is yes, please.
No outdoor kitchen is a negative for me.
Oh, it doesn't have one, does it?
No, I do like the 55-inch TV. Always been a big deal for me to actually enjoy sitting down and watching TV in it.
How do you feel about the front kitchen?
It's okay. I like it. Gives you just your own areas themselves of what each area is used for.
Right.
Separated pretty nicely. Not very accommodating if you have a lot of kids. It's really made for a...
Well, now wait, because like I said, you have that sleeper sofa in the living room, and then you can also replace the dinette in the opposite slide out with another sleeper sofa. So
Yeah.
that would be more sleeping
But this is more of a
space.
mom and pop coach because you don't want to have to pull those out every single night. I mean, this
Oh,
is really
sure. People
designed
do
for
it
the
all the time.
grandparents to bring the grandkids. If you're living in this thing, you don't want to have kids pulling that in and out
Right.
every night.
If it's full time, it's perfect for us.
For us, maybe so.
Yes.
Well, that is going to do it for today's episode of the SOWLE RV Podcast. We hope that you have enjoyed the incredible floor plan of this 2021 fifth wheel with the front kitchen on the SOWLE RV Spotlight. Of the 2021 Heartland Bighorn 3995 FK. If you would like to do a virtual tour of this RV, you can check that out on the SOWLE RV website at SOWLERV.com. Just search for Spotlight number 5.
Right.
Thanks so much for joining us today. As always, SOWLE RV encourages you to safely get out and live and explore the world around you. If you'd like to check out our show notes from today's episode, just go over to SOWLERV.com and click underneath podcast. And make sure you follow us on social media and be sure to hit that subscribe button below.